Hi, boys and girls. It's another lesson of 10 minutes growing our brain. Remember, you have to print out the worksheet below. It's free. And once you print that out, come back and I will start the timer. So this is the worksheet. This is page number 1. We're going to skip it and do a little practice before we get to this page. So you're going to be on page number 2. Let's take a look at here. Making 10 worksheet. You need to decompose. Big word. Decompose means just break down. Break it down. The lesser addend. Combine with the greater number to make 10. So you have a 5 and a 9. I always like to have my 2 crayons ready when I'm working with 10 frames. And I'm going to circle the 5 and make it yellow. So go ahead and do that. Circle your 5 and make it yellow. And then the 9, I'm going to circle and make it red. So those are the 2 colors I'm going to be using. So you should have your yellow and red. So the first number is 5. I'm going to take my yellow, and how many do you think we're going to circle in? 5. So go ahead and circle 5. It doesn't matter if you color the circles going in one row or if you color it the way I did. I did 5, 3 on top, 2 on the bottom. Then go ahead, take your red crayon and color in 9 circles. All right, so now that you have it, so what are these boxes for? So this is what these 2 10 frames show, the 5 and the 9. We want to make a 10. The whole point of this strategy is making 10. Why make 10? Because it's easier to count with. So we're going to recolor this in because we want to make this one into a 10. It's missing something. So go ahead and color in your 9 with red again over here, because this is going to be the side where it shows you how much you need to make the 10. So how many do I need to take from 5? I can't just take it from the thin air. I need to take it from somewhere. How many do I need from yellow to make this a 10? Yes, 1. So go ahead, 1. Now that I took 1 away, how many do I have left to put in this 10 frame? I have 4. So you're going to color in 4. And then I always like to use a pencil only when you're writing numbers. And right here, this one plus this one was 4 plus 10 equals 14. That means 5 plus 9 equals 14. So we have the 6 and the 8. You always look for the lesser addend, which will be colored in yellow, which is number 6. So I'm going to circle number 6, color it in. How many do I have to color in the first 10 frame? How many? 6. So go ahead and color in 6 circles. And again, like I said, it doesn't matter which ones you color in. I'll do this one on the top. Did my first row of 5 and then the 1. Now, with your red crayon, that is the larger addend. I'm going to circle that, color it in red. And I'm not going to circle it here. This one gets their own 10 frame. I'm going to go ahead and color in 8 circles. Now, sometimes you don't have this circles already put in for you. You could go ahead and either color in the box or you can just create your own circles. So this is 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Now, what we need to do is we have to make a 10. Whole strategy is making a 10. You take the higher number to make the 10. So color in your 8. And how many do I have to add from the 6, from the lesser one, because I have to take it from somewhere. How many do I have to add to make this a 10? We want this one to be a 10. How do we know how much? Yes, there's 2 empty here. So I'm going to take from here. If you want to, you can always cross it out so you can remember. Sometimes that helps if you cross it out. So I'm taking those 2 and I'm going to bring those 2 to color here. Now, how many's left over here? I got to carry them over. I have to count. The number's not just 10. You're going to color in 4. Okay. So 4 plus 10. Oh, look, we have the same number as above. Lucky us. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. So now that you finished page 2, let's read the directions. Now we are ready to go and read and see if all these words make a little more sense because we practice. So decompose. Remember, what does decompose mean? It means to break it down. Break the lesser addend, which is just the number that is the lowest, which is the 5. And we're going to make it a 10. So what do we do here? We took the 5 and colored in 5 circles. The 8, as you can see, we colored in 8 circles. We took the 2 from the 5 to make a 10. And then here is the leftover. So remember, you can cross it out if you want to take the 2 out of here. So take 2 from the 5 to make 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. And that means 5 plus 8 equals 13. Okay, so let's do this one again. Before you go onto your practice page 3, go ahead and read through this. So 3 plus 9 equals, and we don't know the answer. Use the 10 frames. This is called a 10 frame. Color the lesser addend. Remember, that's a lesser number in yellow in the number 1's 10 frame. So here's the number 1, and we're going to color that yellow. 1, and we're doing 3 because it was a lesser number. Okay, so there's your 3. Color the higher addend, which is 9, in red in number 2 10 frame, just like we've been practicing. So 9 right here. You're going to color in 9. Try not to rush and make it sloppy. I know we have 10 minutes to work, but it should be nice and neat. Not rushing. There's nowhere to go. We're working for 10 minutes. Step 2, carry over and color 9 in the number 4 10's frame. So here's the number 4, and we need to color those 9 back into here, to this 10 frame. Okay, remember again, you're not rushing, you're doing your work, you're learning, you're growing your brain. I need to take from the 3 to add it to the 9 to make this a 10. So, what do I need? I need 1 yellow. So I'm going to take the 1 yellow. That's my 10. Again, you can cross it out if you want. It leaves 2. You color in the 2. And 2 plus 10 is 12. So 3 plus 9 is 12. Page 3. This is your time to practice on your own. Again, if you get stuck, if you forget what to color, what to do, go back onto page 1. That's your instruction page. Or you can go to page 2 and see what we did. Or you can rewind this video and watch it again. So you did it. Within 10 minutes, you grew your brain. Now, if you click on the link below, you can find more worksheets. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel.